Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. Let's unbox this 14-inch MacBook Pro in space black. I've had my current MacBook Air since 2018. It just started to lose battery. I don't know. It's crazy. This upgrade was very much so needed. I went with space black because it was my favorite. So I went with the M4 Max chip, 16-core CPU, 40-core GPU, and 16-core neural engine. I went back and forth, but yeah, I settled on 64 gigabytes of unified memory and 2 terabytes SSD storage. God, I love that. It came with the liquid retina display. The nano texture display is really cool. Like, it helps not reflect light. I didn't find it necessary. I don't work behind a ton of light. Plus, I heard that it doesn't show the true color of things. I love a pull tab. Oh my gosh. Like, look at how nice that is. Holy crap. The new MacBook Pros come with it embossed on the bottom. How cool is that? That was a nice surprise for me. Oh my God, it's so pretty. It comes with 3 Thunderbolt 5 ports, which just means there's 3 USB-C ports that go very, very fast. Comes with an HDMI, the SDXC slot, headphone jack, and MagSafe 3 charger. Ooh la la. And this is a huge change from the Air. I was looking for a pull tab for this, and there isn't one. So I also got the Pro Apps bundle, and that comes with Final Cut Pro. I've been using iMovie since 2018. I do need to get a keyboard cover. You don't want to strip the keys. I ended up giving my old computer to my best friend, so I transferred it over a few days later. Process was easy. Literally, you type in your password a million times. The Pro accessories, oh yeah, I dropped that. Take 2. With instructions, there were no Apple stickers. Or did I just get a box with none? I don't know. Do they not do that anymore? And this is a new block charger. This is so big compared to the Air charger. I feel like it's almost falls out of the wall. I mentioned when I was buying this computer, what if I get a bigger charger so that it charges faster? And my boyfriend said, absolutely not. It will damage your computer. And this takes the 96 watt USB-C power adapter. And the power adapter is a braided rope cable that's supposed to be more durable and tangle resistant. Why didn't we get a charger block like this? It would have been the perfect monochrome pairing. The 3-port MagSafe charging on it is very strong. Now let's get into my Cutie 2018 laptop. This is me taking off all my accessories. Also, I don't really know why, but this made me so sad. Maybe it's because it's been through a lot with me, but I love the stickers on here. I'm excited to put stickers on the Pro, like the silicone keyboard, but the brand that I got these from doesn't make accessories for MacBooks. And it's still in pretty great condition. It's amazing. I do miss how sleek the Air is though. It's just so portable, easy to grab, and the comparison between the two is kind of insane. The MacBook is so much bulkier. Let's get into the Pro accessories. I got these from Amazon. And I got 3 total, and I always have to check that I got everything. And this is the protective case. I got it in black to keep that monochrome look going. And I should have read the instructions on this because I definitely put it on wrong. Bear with me as I tear this off. I thought I was gonna break it. Luckily, I did not. And it's basically just a plastic. It's kind of thin plastic, so I don't know if it'll be super durable, but we'll see. And let's go ahead and put that aside for now and open up what I am most excited about. It's by Comfortable. I've never heard of them, but it's a laptop sleeve. I love the peace of mind that double protection gives me. And this came with a dust bag. It's supposed to protect something. Like, why did it come in a dust? I don't know, but I'll use it for something. Ladies and gentlemen, her, okay? This is real leather. It's perfect for the monochrome look I'm going for. I didn't want it to be like all plain black. It's nice and soft on the inside as well. I'm gonna just put on, the third accessory I have is gonna come. I need to do this first, but it clicks in really fast at the bottom. I'm showing you that it didn't fit, but I put it on wrong, okay? And the top like didn't click at all. So I definitely am not sure if this is super, like this hard case is super protective, but I'm going to keep it regardless because it was super hard for me to find a case that had good reviews and that I like. And I'm just showing you that it like perfectly fits and just how sleek it is. It does attract fingerprints, and there was another review that said that, but I'm putting stickers all over it, so it doesn't really matter to me. And they wipe off really easy if that bothers you. Also, that background is really cool. Anyway, you can still see the Apple logo a little bit behind the case. Now, this is a 14-inch sleeve. It's really tight. Maybe adding the black case made it too tight. So I went ahead and exchanged it for the 15, and that was too big. I think I might add a black zipper just to keep it from slipping around. Let's put on my third accessory. It's a camera cover, and I will literally never go without this. Shout out to whistleblowers. But it's so thin. I would always recommend the super thin one so you don't damage your screen. I'm just showing you that thinness, literally genius invention, and this was so funny. I don't know why. My fingers are so huge in comparison. And just be careful putting it on. Well, they do provide 2 extra in case you mess up or need it for other electronics, I guess. And I realized that this overlaps because the pros have a rectangle on the camera, but just keep that in mind. It didn't bother me enough to not use it, but it might bother you. And just giving it a nice dust and one last attempt to see if the leather could stretch. It did not. Thank you so much for watching. I've enjoyed having you. Like and subscribe for more. Bye.
Baby, you get your way. Nothing I can do.